Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to sign up to Upwork as a freelancer and start making money today. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to a web browser where we can access upwork.com. We're going to start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Go to a search engine. Let's now type in Upwork. Enter, go to upwork.com, and now this is the sign up process. We can either log in, or in this tutorial we are signing up. So let's click on get started. Join as a client or freelancer. I am a client hiring for a project, or I am a freelancer looking for work. Let's just click on this one, apply as a freelancer. So now sign up to find work you love. We can continue with Apple or a Google account, or what we can do is create the account using brand new credentials. So I will add all my information. I will insert my email for the business. So I'll have to choose a password. Country. Send me emails with tips on how to find talent that fits my needs. Yes, I also agree and understand the terms and services, which you can read in your own time. I would highly recommend you to read these before signing up so you know what you are agreeing to. Create my account. Let's just wait for that to load. Yes, let's save the password. The account has been successfully created. They are now redirecting me. So verify your email to proceed. We just sent an email to the address myname@ComputerScienceVideos.com. Please check your email and click on the link provided to verify the address. So let's now open up a new tab. Go to office.com to access the email, which has now been sent to my email. They've sent me an email which I will now verify. So verify your email to complete the registration. Hi, thanks for your interest in joining Upwork. To complete the registration, we need you to verify your email address. Let's just click on verify. Please note that all applications to join Upwork are accepted. We will notify you of our decision by email within 24 hours. Thanks for your time, the Upwork team. Verify the email address. Congratulations, your account is verified. Redirecting. And now you will be required to answer a few questions and start building the profile. You can apply for open roles or list services for clients to buy. Get paid safely and know we're there to help you. It will only take about 5 to 10 minutes and you can edit it later. We'll save as you go. So let's just click on get started. A few quick questions. First, have you freelanced before? This lets us know how much help to give you along the way. We will not share your answer with anyone, including potential clients. I'll say no, this is all brand new to me. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? I'll just click on to make money on the side. How would you like to work? I'd like to find opportunities myself. I'd like to package up my work for clients to buy. I'd like Upwork to act as a recruiter. I'll just click on skip for now. And now the profile is being set up. How would you like to tell us about yourself? You can upload a resume, you can import from LinkedIn, or you can fill out manually. Let's just click on fill out manually. This will take you around 15 minutes. Video editing. video production and photo editing. Next, add your experience. If you have any relevant work experience, you can add it here. Let's just click on now add your education. Nothing to add. We will add this eventually later before we submit the application. Let's just click next. Click next. Share your skills. My English level is native or bilingual. What work are you here to do? Video editing. Video editing and production. Video advertising. Photo editing. We can now click on now write your bio. So in this section, you'll be required to describe your top skills, experience, and interests. This is one of the first things clients will see on your profile. For the moment, I'll just add, I am a great My photo editing skills have made me into the complete individual for projects. We can re-edit this later on. Choose your area of work. Let's just scroll through this. Next, set your rate. Let's just say $25 per hour. UpWork will take the fee. Lastly, photo and location. Let's just click on upload a photo. For the moment, we will change this when we have taken a photo of ourselves. For the moment, let's just add the YouTube logo and brand name. This will now prompt us to enter a code which have been sent via text message. So let me add this to the screen. Verify my number. That's all done. Now we would click on check your profile once we have entered the country, street address. So I'm doing that now. Check your profile. This will now take you to the page where you will be required to submit the profile. But at the moment, that's not the case. Why? Because I will take more time to edit or re-edit the sections again. So before I submit, everything is picture perfect, because you do not want to put yourself in a position where you've submitted an application and it's been unsuccessful, because UpWork will only allow you to have one account per business. So if you want to be a freelancer, you would have to go through the correct channels of how to sign up correctly to UpWork and submit the application with all the information. So we can now quit the web browser. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.